How do I book an appointment using CUDoc? Once you're logged into your CUDoc account, search for the doctor or clinic that you would like to set an appointment with. Then, select a doctor. Once you're in the doctor's profile, you will be able to see the services they provide and the corresponding schedules. Click the Request Appointment button. Fill out the appointment form with the patient's name, service you wish to avail, health condition or chief complaint of the patient, preferred date and time of the appointment. Please read the terms and conditions and data privacy policy before checking the tick boxes. Once done, click the Request Appointment button. In the appointment page, you will see a notification on the top right corner of the screen that you have successfully requested an appointment. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial video helpful and informative. Check out our other video guides in CUDoc's social media accounts. If you have any questions, you may reach us through support@cudoc.com.